The much-awaited orders for reopening of schools have since been received. Birla International School has accordingly opened its gates for welcoming its students. The very apt and adequate measures formulated within the framework of all the existing government guidelines to ensure safe school operations are here to see. Let's have a look. Here walks in our student, and the first step is the temperature check. After the preliminary checkup, the student will then submit a willingness and a negative RT-PCR report at the gate before further proceedings. After the successful submission of the two documents, the student will now move for sanitization of his luggage. The next step is luggage sanitization. After submitting his luggage to the sanitization chamber, the student will now be asked to dispose of his old mask and will be handed over a new one. To prevent contamination of the school environment, disposing of the old mask and wearing a new one is essential. Before the new mask is handed over to the student must compulsorily wash their hands with the hand wash available at the school main gate. Effective hand washing procedure consists of 8 steps. First, we need to apply soap on our wet hands, followed by rubbing that soap on the palms with focus at the back of our hands, interlacing our fingers, cleaning thumbs, rubbing nails, rinsing our hands, and finally wiping or drying our hands with the use of paper towel. Washing of hands isn't enough. To ensure further protection, hands are sanitized and a new mask is handed over to the student. After completing the necessary procedures at the main gate, the student now moves to the reception at the school's main building. Here, a detailed medical examination will be conducted by the resident medical officer and his team. The examination of temperature, respiration, oxygen level, cardiovascular, central nervous and gastrointestinal systems is conducted. Let me now show you a classroom in session. The arrangement of the classroom has been done keeping in mind the social distancing norms. We are here at a central dining hall. Proper social distancing norms are followed here too. The distance between the two students is 6 feet.
A hostel is a place where students spend most of their time. We at Birla International School accommodate students in rooms. In each room, social distancing norms and other precautions are maintained.
I am Aryan Gupta of Class 12 Humanities, and I reported back to school yesterday. I am very happy to come back and resume my studies and other activities. On entering into the school campus, I underwent a number of safety checks which I feel are very essential for safety and our well-being. I thank the school for having made such elaborate arrangements for welcoming us.
We are indeed very joyous at Birla International School that the school has reopened. In fact, you have just seen the glimpses of the measures that we have put in place for safe school operations. I welcome all the students back to school, and I thank all the parents for having reposed faith and trust in us once again. Thank you.